agricultural areas begins along the river. At 12.0 feet, between 12 and 16 feet, recreation areas, campgrounds, and some low-lying properties along the river become flooded from Cooks Falls to East Branch. Additional details, at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, the stage was 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 11.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.